Hey guys, welcome to CodeVentures' first video. My name's Desheng Liu and I'm one of the founders of CodeVentures, and today I'll be explaining and telling you guys about Scratch. Scratch is one of the beginner programming languages that many of the beginners use. Scratch is a block-based visual programming language, which means, you see right here, as you see, it's block-based, which means everything is in blocks rather than you typing what you want to do in that. Right now it may seem a little bit weird to, imagine, but as I get into Scratch, you'll be able to see it. It's really simple as you just drag the blocks and kind of command the thing to do. So first thing you want to do is go on Scratch, look it up on Google, and go right here. As you see, I'm already logged in, but I'll sign out to just kind of show you guys how to start. So you want to join Scratch right here and kind of sign in. There's more stuff that they ask you and fill that out. Yeah, I'll see you guys whenever you guys are done logging in and filling out. So now you're done logging in. The first thing you want to do to start your first project, you see on the top left, is create. So once you create your project, you'll get your first startup project right here. So now as we're on the screen, you see there's a cat right here, and there's a bunch of commands here that are blocked. Like I said, you can drag these out onto the command spot and kind of tell this cat what to do. So first thing we want to do is we want to teach this cat or make this cat move. So let's do that. See, it says move on motion right here. Let's just do that. So we need one more thing, and I'll show you why later. So this green thing will tell you to go, as it means just to command and make the cat do it. So when we click it, nothing happens. Why is that? It's because we need one more thing. If you go in events and you see that when the green flag is clicked, we need that because it won't run until we have this connected to that. As you see, you can see it can drag and you see like a little shading on the bottom. So right now if you click it, it won't work, and whenever you put it on here, it'll move now. You can expect the cat to move to the right 10 steps of this coordinate graph of X and Y. So this is a coordinate graph, if you know in your math, like probably in 7th grade or 8th grade math, maybe 6th grade math, that you have a coordinate grid. This is imaginary, you can't really see it. So as you click this green flag, you should be able to move from 0 to 10, which you can imagine a slight movement from here to here. Let's do that now. So as you saw, the cat moved to the right 10 blocks or 10 units, as you say in math. And if you keep on clicking this, the cat will keep moving, and let's see what he does. Yep, you see his tail. This is the maximum, I believe. You can drag him back, move him around where you want him. But yeah, that's your first command, I guess. Whenever the green flag is clicked, you move 10 steps to the right. As you go, you can kind of play around on Scratch and kind of see there's more things that you can do, as there's control, sensing, and all such. You can kind of play around with that. So another thing that I want to do is teach or make this cat say hi or say your name, or you can even ask what's your name and stuff. So let's teach or make him say hi. Alright, so let's look for it. I'm going to assume it's in looks. So you see, it says say hello for 2 seconds. So I assume that this will probably make him say something or talk. You can also customize this, saying something like, since my name is Desheng, be like, hi Desheng, and you can customize it. For now, I'll just make him say hello. And you can also customize the time that it's saying hello. So for this time, I'm just going to make him say it for a shorter time of 1 second. Now that I drag this block on, we can predict that the cat's going to move right 10 steps and then say hello for 1 second. Let's see what he's going to do now. Yeah, for 1 second as well. Let's do it again. And you can just play around, make him do other things as well. So one of the cool things that you can do in here is make him change directions. So what I want him to do, this is my mission for today, I want to make this cat go straight to the right. You can see my mouse, straight to the right, and then make him go up. So how are we going to do that? Well, as you see in motion, there's many things that you can do by changing the degrees that he's moving. So right now you can assume that he's going straight to the right, and as you turn the degrees or make him do this thing, he'll rotate where you want him to go. There are probably other things they can do as well, where you can kind of, I'm gonna try and attempt to do my mission now. So first thing, like I said, we probably need the green flag. without the green flag command, we won't be able to do it. I want him to move 10 steps. Actually, not 10 steps. We'll probably make him move, let's say, so since this part's around 273, I want to move back to the middle. So I'll just say, let's make it 184, positive 184 steps. So I'll probably move right here. And then I want him to rotate and then go up. As you see, these are two commands for whether you want him to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. So in this case, I want him to move counterclockwise. You can also do it other way, but that would be more tedious if you'd be going in a whole circle rather than just making a 90-degree turn. So I'll move this out and I'll make him turn 90 degrees. So by now, he should move here and then turn 90 degrees and then move back up. So I forgot one more thing. In order to make him do two separate actions at different times, you have to make him wait, or else they're going to do all the functions that we made him do at the same time. Now, what I want him to do is move to the right and then spin 90 degrees or rotate counterclockwise so he's facing up and then go up again. As you see, I'm getting to a pattern. I want him to go in a whole circle like this. You can make the cat move slowly at each step by waiting a second. So I'll make this maybe 0.5, as 1 second is a little bit too long. And we can keep on doing this, and we can assume that he's going to go in a whole circle. I'll make him more lower here so you can see it. Click it once. You see he rotated. Do it again. And then he rotates. Do it again. Rotate. And then he rotates again. So I don't want to keep on clicking this and, doing this because my fingers are going to get tired. And also, it's tedious. So instead, we can use a repeat, as you see on control. We can do a repeat how many times. We can do a forever right here. So, and these things, they're called loops, as you know. Just think of it. It's going in a loop, and it's constantly going. So I can move this loop between all of these, and it should go in a circle forever, as long as, this is in command, and whenever the green. So let's review this. Whenever the green flag is clicked, it's this, between this thing, it's going to go on forever. Whatever's between this is going to go on forever. So what's going to happen is that Scratchy is going to move to the right 184 steps in terms of the coordinate graph, wait half a second, and then rotate 90 degrees. And I don't have to click the green flag for, how many times I want him to do it. Just click it once, and he's going to go in a circle. Or not circle, but rather square. So let's see it. As you see, Scratchy's moving around in a square forever until maybe I manually stop it with the stop button. But for now, make him run for a little bit as you just see this cat run in circles. He's probably tired by now, so I'm going to stop him. But yeah, that's the end. You guys can just play around with this and tell your parents that you guys made your first project and you want to. Feel free to send your projects over and show us, and we can possibly show it on Instagram or post it on social media and show your wonderful greatness. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll be up with the next one soon.